two productivity powerhouses, Jira or Things 3. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, the robust, feature-packed Jira, and on the right, the elegant, Apple-exclusive Things 3. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's what we're going to compare today, and I'm doing this mind map style so you can see the big picture. So we've got target user, platform and integration, features, ease of use, collaboration, price, and customization and scale. Each of these points is going to reveal a lot about who these apps are for. First up, target user. So Jira is pretty much made for software teams, IT, folks doing DevOps, all those collaborative, structured setups where you need your project to not crash and burn. It's got a whole bunch of tools just for that. Though, honestly, if you're just one person trying to keep track of groceries, it's probably a tad overkill. Now, Things 3 flips the script. It's kind of the sweet spot for individuals and freelancers. The vibe is super minimal, uncluttered, totally loved by productivity nerds. But if you try running a big software project here, I wouldn't bet on it. Winner here? That's Jira. Feels like it knows exactly who it wants. Next up, platform and integration. Jira is everywhere. Web, Windows, Mac, Android, iOS. Honestly, if you're alive in 2025, you can probably open Jira on something. And the integrations? Oh man, GitHub, Slack, CI/CD, you name it. Downside though, the UI's kinda, let's just say, not the most gorgeous or visual. Things 3, on the other hand, embraces the Apple ecosystem. Like, hard. It's stunning on Mac, iPhone, iPad, even your Apple Watch. Syncs like magic with iCloud. But if you're a Windows fan or you need a web app, nope, integrations are kinda limited too. So again, Jira sweeps this one for versatility. Now let's talk features. Jira just goes wild with agile boards. Scrum, Kanban, detailed backlogs, custom reporting, even automation. You can set up workflows however you want, add custom fields. Honestly, it can do almost too much. The learning curve is pretty steep. With Things 3, it's the opposite. You get those slick task lists, projects, reminders, calendar views, tags, all the basics, but with a gorgeous look. Powerful search, quick entry, but no advanced team stuff like dependency management or heavy-duty reporting. So, pros and cons. But overall, Jira has more, so it wins on firepower. But if you just want simple, I mean, you know what you'd want. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Jira actually started life as a bug tracker for software teams way back in the day. Meanwhile, Things 3, it keeps getting Apple's Best of App Store awards just for how beautiful and easy it is to use. So, ease of use. This one's kind of fun. Jira is, let's be honest, a beast. Tons of configuration, and if you're an expert, you'll love it. But most people, the onboarding is not friendly. It's dense, can be confusing, and if you only manage projects once in a blue moon, it's going to feel like work. Now, put Things 3 in your hand, and it's just super intuitive, award-winning interface, barely any setup needed. You just get going. There are fewer options for customization, sure, but honestly, most people don't need all the options. Winner here, hands down, Things 3. Collaboration. Okay, let's be real. This is Jira's wheelhouse. Multiple users, fine-grained permissions, all the notifications, robust comments. You can run entire teams and big projects. Sure, training is needed, but you can get crazy organized. Things 3, it lets you email tasks, maybe share stuff using Apple features. But if you really want teamwork, nah, no real multi-user support. It's made for you and you alone. So, no surprise, Jira easily wins for collaboration. Let's hit price. Surprisingly, this one's kind of close. Jira is free for up to 10 users. Not bad, actually. And after that, it has scalable pricing. Though, as you go bigger, there's a lot of add-ons and extra costs. And if you're enterprise scale, that bill does stack up. Things 3, meanwhile, is a one-time purchase per device. So Mac app is $49.99, iPhone $19.99, iPad another $19.99. No subscriptions, but you gotta pay again for each device. And there's no free tier at all. So, honestly, they both have quirks, but come out about even, calling this one a tie. Last up, customization and scale. So Jira goes super hard here. You can tweak fields, build custom workflows, set up automations, status categories. You can basically build a system that fits a team of 5 or 5,000. It's built for scale. Just needs experienced admins to keep it humming. Things 3, absolute simplicity. It's just the basics. Projects, tasks, maybe a couple of tags. If you've got advanced or niche needs, it's going to hit a wall fast. So for customization, scaling, and just the power to make it yours, Jira easily takes this round. Check out this radar chart. Honestly, you'll see how the strengths just pop. Jira's numbers spike in all the team, platform, and customization zones. Things 3, strong in ease of use, solo productivity, and clean interface. Kinda clear case for 2 totally different vibes. So where does all this leave us? Let's keep it real. If you're running software projects, juggling lots of team stuff, and need all the power, Jira is your pick. It's complicated, but that's because it does basically everything. But if you just care about personal productivity, you want zero friction, and you're deep in the Apple universe, Things 3 is perfect. Teams? Go Jira. Solo Apple fans? Things 3's your jam. Like this comparison? Go try both. See which fits your workflow. Stay organized out there. And hey, ship your best work, whatever you're building.